Hey guys, what's up? And today we are going to learn the /TELLRAW command. Okay, so let's get started. So first what you want to do is you want to just get a command block. The slash you give @S command underscore block. Well, you don't really need a command block. You can just use the TELLRAW command in chat. But I'm using a command block. So then you can do TELLRAW @A. It won't work for @S. So TELLRAW @A. Then you can put these two curly brackets. Inside of them, you put these double quotes, and then inside the double quote, you just put text and whatever you want the message to be. So maybe hello. I'll click that and get your redstone lever. So then you place it onto the command block and click it. And you can see the chat message. It says hello. Now we can also add different colors. So you can do color and any color you want. Maybe red. And we've got it red. We can do blue. And we've got blue. For some reason, some colors don't work. I have no idea why. But yeah. We can even add text styles. We can make it bold. Like this. Bold true. And now we've got a bold hello. You can even use hex codes like this. So you open your color picker and you choose any hex color and replace this blue with any hex code you want. Like that one. And you've got it the right color. So yeah. That's how to use the TELLRAW command. And you can even TELLRAW lots of text with different colors together. So first you need to put this, and then you put those two curly brackets inside. Then do the same thing, like text. The text hello. Then you do the same thing again. So you can make this one red or maybe green. So color, then I can repeat it again. Then, wow, we've got a cool text. So bye guys, that's it for today. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye.